Esta noche no quiero pensar en ti y mañana trataré de sobrevivir. Escucharé la voz.
We were volunteering at the Hotel Selva El Puente, located right at the edge of the jungle. The air was rich and green for once. It was rejuvenating. During our stay, there was a lot going on in the kitchen. Chef Jorge was reconfiguring the hotel's menu, and we learned all about the staple ingredients plátano and yuca. Some of the street food we had previously eaten, Ellie beautifully showed us how to prepare. Made with yuca flour and baked in a plátano leaf, the empanadas de arroz were my favorite.
Ahora nos vamos a hacer la empanada de arroz.
Una canción y será la última noche que te quiera, la última noche que te brinde.
Do you want something to drink? To get back to Cochabamba, we took a local bus. I'm telling you, it's like being part of the mountain minivan Formula One. The streets wind around the mountains with many twisting turns and respectable drops. But you gotta overtake the next car. Doesn't matter if you cannot see around the corner. Worst case, you just brake heavily back into your lane. Happened often. A bumper sticker captured the sentiment best. What do you feel if I pass by you? All was well in Cochabamba. Till late in the evening, already at the bus station ready to depart for La Paz, it became clear that Anusha's phone was lost. I think it's done.